Draw the truth table for the OR gate. So this question is testing on the gates, logic gates, and their truth tables. So when revising, when you find any question from a particular part of what you are supposed to cover, you don't have to focus only on that question, but what is important is you go and look at the rest of the concepts in that area. So in this case, from this question, one could go and look at all the gates. You look at all gates, you look at their symbols, because this is what you are supposed to cover in this session. You look at their symbols, their truth tables, and also their logical operation. Those are the three major things that you have to know concerning the gates: the symbol, the truth table, and the logical operation. For example, if you know the logical operation, then you cannot miss the truth table. So logical operation and the truth table, they go hand in hand. So in this case, we are going to draw the truth table of OR gate. OR gate symbol is drawn like this. So this is an OR gate of two inputs. The output for every gate should be 1. Output should be 1. Then to determine the truth table, you have to know the logical operation of the gate. The OR gate operates using the concept that it will output 1. So the output is 1 when either of the inputs is 1. That is, output is 0 when all inputs are 0. So we get an output of 0 when A and B are set to 0. But if either of them is 1, then the output will be 1. So knowing that, we can draw the truth table using two inputs. So to determine the number of rows, you normally use the formula 2 power n, where n is the number of inputs. So here the number of inputs are 2, so it is 2 power 2, which is 4. So we shall have a total of 4 different combinations of these two inputs. So we have 0 0 1 1, then we have 0 1 0 1. Then from the logical operation, the output x is 1 if either is 1. So where we have at least one of them being 1, we have output of 1. And where we have 2 zeros, then we have an output of 0. So that is the solution for that question. And it is very simple, but it carries 4 marks. So that is how you approach it. So you can look at all the other gates, the AND gate, the NAND gates, and the rest. So because it is not a must that the next question will be asking of the OR gate, but it can test any other gate that you should have covered in this unit.